worn. So I'm gonna use that material, and I'm also gonna, because I've got loads and loads of ribbing from when I did a bomber jacket, and I bought way too much. I'm probably just gonna use this for like the top and bottom cuffs of the trousers, and then it's just gonna be like straight A-line type trousers, but like slightly on the baggy side. And then I'm gonna get like my spare colorful fabric and basically embroider, like, can you see that, little like clouds all over it, and I've kind of just said which fabric's which here, and basically, yeah. And I also might make the inside of the pockets colorful, but I don't know.
I was just about to ask, where you going to put pockets on it? Do you think they'll be
Yeah,
external or internal pockets?
yeah, they're gonna be like inside pockets, and I might make the inside of them colorful, but I don't know yet. If
Yeah.
I've got enough fabric, I might do that.
So what do you think, Evie? Did
I
you?
really liked it. Yeah, it sounds really good.
Yeah.
So what do you think of her little colourful clouds then?
I think they'll go really, like really well with like the joggers. Everything will just like really match.
Yeah, I think it's quite representative of like Ronnie's vibe anyway.
Yes, just like with a bit of colour but comfy.
Yeah.
Cool.